Hello everyone, welcome to C programming tutorial. In the previous video, we have learned how to print stars in triangle format. So that is this. So it will take integer and then print the stars in triangle format till 10 stars in the last line. Now in this session, I will try to print the same triangle in the reverse pattern. That is this one. So before writing any program or any code, first we need to solve this problem on the paper. That means we should have some logic how we are going to solve this problem. So for that, see here, if you carefully notice here in the first line we have 10 stars, and in the next line 9, 8, 7, 6, so on so forth till 1 we have. That means in every iteration we need to reduce one star. So before that, instead of solving this entire problem in one go, first try to print this only first line. How to print 10 stars. Okay, so for that, I have this standard library and the main function, and I am asking the user to enter the input. So that I just wanted to know how many stars he wanted to print. Okay, so based on that, I will use a for loop for printing the only the first line. I'm going to do it here. And let's do on printf star. Finally, I will have another slash n over here. Okay, so let's compile this program. I am using GCC compiler again. So this is the command. Okay, object is created with pyr, and let's enter 10. See that. So we got 10 stars in the same line. Okay, so that is done. But we want 9 stars in the next line, 8, 7, 6, and so on and so forth till 1. So for printing 10 stars in the same line, we used one for loop, right? Similarly, to print the second line, third line, we need another for loop. But how? Let's do that. Just I'm writing another for loop on top of this. Just take another temporary variable called j over here. J is equal to 0. And j less than, again I will give n only, and see exactly how it works. Okay, let's compile this program. There is an error. What happened? Yeah, I did not close it properly. Yes, pyr. Let's enter 5 only this time. Oh, see. So here it is printing 5 stars 5 times. Okay, because see here, if you walk through this code in the first iteration, what we are doing is we are printing 5 stars, and again in the next iteration also what we are doing, again the same for loop is getting printed, which is printing the entire n number of times. So instead of that, we should be doing that based on our iteration value. That means, let's say I will give, instead of n here I will give j. Then what will happen? In the first iteration, j value will be 0. That means this loop will be executed only once. And in the second iteration, j value will be 1. That means it will get executed 2 times. Let's see that. See this, right? So, but our case is the reverse. In the first iteration, we want 10 stars. And in the next iteration, we want n minus 1. So for that, instead of giving j here, we should give n minus j. Then what will happen? In the first iteration, n value will be the whatever the user entered. In the second iteration, it will be minus 1, minus 2, and so on, so forth. Let's compile the program again. And let's enter 10. That's it. So this is how we print pyramid or the triangle in the reverse direction. So if you don't like this star, you want numerical values, you can do that. Or even if you want any alphabets, you can just replace that. So that's how it is. Thanks for watching. And if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Thanks.